Ever wondered how a simple piece of plastic transforms into the intricate objects we use every day? Or how metal inserts become an integral part of a plastic component? Welcome to the fascinating world of plastic molding and metal insert processes. Plastic molding is a manufacturing technique where plastic is heated, shaped, and then cooled to create a wide range of items. The process begins with the selection of the appropriate plastic material. The chosen plastic is then converted into pellets for easier handling. These pellets are then heated in a molding machine until they reach a liquid state. The molten plastic is injected into a mold, a hollow metal block that gives the plastic its shape. The plastic is allowed to cool down and harden, forming the final product. The mold is then opened, and the newly formed plastic part is ejected, ready to be used or further processed. Now, let's shift gears to the metal insert process, which is a subset of plastic molding. It involves incorporating metal components into plastic parts during the molding process. The process can be broken down into 3 easy steps. First, the metal insert is placed into a mold. This mold is designed to accommodate the insert and also shape the plastic around it. The insert is held in place by specialized pins to ensure it remains correctly positioned throughout the process. Next, the same technique used in plastic molding is employed. Heated plastic pellets are injected into the mold, filling the space around the metal insert. The molten plastic flows around the insert, encapsulating it fully once the plastic cools and hardens. Finally, the mold is opened, and the plastic part with the metal insert is ejected. The result is a single component that combines the strength of metal with the versatility of plastic. In summary, plastic molding is a versatile process that transforms plastic pellets into a wide variety of objects, while the metal insert process incorporates metal components into plastic parts to create a unified, robust component. Both processes are fundamental to many modern products, from everyday household items to specialized industrial equipment. Remember, in plastic molding, the plastic is heated, then shaped in a mold, and finally cooled to form the final product. In the metal insert process, a metal component is placed in a mold, enveloped with molten plastic, and then cooled to create a single, integrated part. These processes, while seemingly simple, are the backbone of many industries and are integral to our everyday lives. So next time you look at a plastic item, remember the art and science behind its creation. It's not just plastic, it's a testament to human ingenuity and innovation.